Well, several clients and former employees accuse a prominent Chicago family attorney of sexual assault. All of it outlined in a complaint filed last month by a state disciplinary board. The day after we first reported on those allegations, the lawyer found himself in legal trouble again, arrested for driving under the influence. CBS 2's Charlie DeMar live from Glenview, where it happened. Charlie.
Erica, good evening. Glenview police were called to this McDonald's on Waukegan Road. That's where they said they found prominent attorney David Pasulka intoxicated and in need of medical help.
911, what's your emergency?
A 911 call to this Glenview McDonald's parking lot last month. The caller couldn't tell whether or not a man inside a car was breathing. He allegedly hadn't moved in minutes. Glenview police say David Pasulka was behind the wheel. The prominent Chicago family attorney wouldn't wake up. So drunk, he was taken to Glenbrook Hospital, where police say he was too intoxicated to take a breathalyzer or field sobriety test. The day before the McDonald's parking lot DUI, we reported on allegations of sexual assault with former employees and claims of Pasulka allegedly abusing his position of power as an ad litem attorney, advocating for children in messy divorce cases. In a complaint filed by the Attorney Registration and Disciplinary Commission, or ARDC, Pasulka is accused of telling a mother what she needed to do to secure full custody of her children. Quote, she only had to do a little extra something, and that she was a smart girl, and that if she really wanted her children, he could do that for her if she would have sex with him. Pasulka has faced similar legal trouble before. In 2017, the attorney pled guilty to DUI. In that case, the ARDC complaint says he consumed between 1/2 and 1 pint of vodka, then got on the Kennedy, hit a car, and kept going, stopping at this Niles Starbucks, where he struck the curb and building near the drive-thru and once again drove off. The complaint says that he told Niles police that he was, quote, on his way from work to an Alcoholics Anonymous meeting and denied having gone to the Starbucks, later admitting to having 5 vodkas. Behavior the ARDC calls committing a criminal act that reflects adversely on the lawyer's honesty, trustworthiness, or fitness as a lawyer. Now, Pasulka has never been charged criminally for those allegations of sexual abuse and sexual assault, but one of the attorneys for one of those alleged victims tells me that his client met with Chicago police detectives last week, a possible sign that this case is reopening. Live in Glenview tonight, Charlie DeMar, CBS 2 News. Erica.
Charlie, thank you.